guys. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video, I'm doing another inspo look. So this is called the puzzle piece, or the missing puzzle piece, or puzzled something. There's this girl on Instagram. Her name is Deets by Deb. She's done this look twice, and it was something that I really wanted to create to test my limit to see, you know, what else can Abby do. And I was like, why not see if I can pull this look off? It requires a lot of glitter. It's a little messy, but look, see, one of my diamonds fell off. Okay, so yes, this look is a little bit messy, so go on ahead and click that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on my Instagram. And yes, I'm still doing that giveaway. If you check on my business page at the Abby-licious Cosmetics, all the rules are there. So without further ado, let's get in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Click that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be the first to get notified when you post, when you click that notification bell as well. Everything that I've used on my face to create this look will be in the description box below. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.